So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're opening Roblox and it just doesn't launch. So how you can fix your problem, let's get started. First, open start menu and then search for control panel. Open control panel and make sure the view by is set to category. Then you have to click on uninstall a program, and in here you have to search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox player for your user, just right click on it and click on uninstall. Then what you have to do is go over to Google or any other web browser you like and then search for Roblox download. Click on download Roblox and then click on download Windows app. Then it will ask you where to save it. Just select your directory and then click on save. Then you have to run the installer and install Roblox again, log into your account, and then hopefully your problem is solved. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.